welcome back to this week's Bake Along. I hope you're all staying safe. So today I thought we'd make some blondies as we did brownies last week. These ones are a little bit different though, as they're cherry Bakewell flavoured. So they're a perfect mix between a Bakewell tart and a blondie. So without further ado, let's get started. So the ingredients you'll need is 150 grams of butter, 200 grams of fresh cherries, 100 grams of chopped white chocolate, 225 grams of light brown sugar or light muscovado sugar, 225 grams of plain flour, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 25 grams of flaked almonds, 50 grams of ground almonds, and 2 eggs. And what I'm going to do to make my blondies extra chewy and gooey, I've got some marzipan in the fridge and I'm going to put a couple of chunks into the blondie and it will be super gooey. So the first thing we've got to do is melt our white chocolate with our butter. So I'm going to put mine in the microwave, it's just a bit easier. So let's get all of that in there. Perfect. So now our butter and white chocolate is all melted together. I'm going to pop this in the KitchenAid bowl, or you can just whisk by hand or whisk using a handheld mixer. So I'm going to pop this in. Getting all the mixture in there. And we're going to add our light muscovado sugar. So we're just going to give this a little mix around. So now your chocolate, butter and sugar are all mixed together. What you want to do is add your 2 eggs. Brilliant, so now we just want to give that another mix round. So now this is all fully mixed together. What we want to do is add our ground almonds in. This is going to give it such a lovely Bakewell flavour. So this is looking lovely and light and all mixed together. I'm going to take the bowl off the KitchenAid and then I'm going to sieve in my flour, my baking powder and some salt. So now I'm going to sieve in my flour. So now half a teaspoon of baking powder to go in and a pinch of salt. Brilliant. And we're now going to fold this round using the folding skills we learned in our last brownie video. Round and cross, round and cross. So now what we're going to do is pop our mixture into our little tin. I've just lined it with a bit of butter and some parchment paper. So let's pop this in. Oh, look at that. In it goes. So now what I'm going to do is pop my marzipan that has been chilling in the fridge into the blondie and my cherries. So now I'm going to add in my cherries. Just going to pop them in. And now what we want to do is just sprinkle over our flaked almonds. And now you want to pop it in the oven at 180 degrees for 40 to 45 minutes. So another bake down. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it. Stay safe, see you next time, and here's a picture of my finished bake.